just to pick in here. Today I have a challenge lock by the Red Wanderer. It's called the Titan. Here's the mummified key. US lock. Got a graving on there. I did play with this a little bit. I feel like I got better response by going counterclockwise, so that's what we're gonna do. We got a 23 thousandths out of the Praxis kit. This thing is definitely crunchy. He's got some good pins in here. A little bit of a false set there. Counter rotation, I think on 5. Oh. This thing's about halfway spun around the core here. Getting counter rotation. Dropping some. Lost our false set. A crazy deep false set. Let's see if we can't get that back. Oh, there it is. Touch 3 and got counter rotation. That locks right there. It's close. I'm getting movement out of it, but it doesn't want to go. Try to rock it up there. Oh, dropping stuff. I dropped everything. Got that good false set back. Whoa. Not getting much of anything now. I'm gonna switch to, let's see here. I'm gonna go to this offset here and see what I can get. Doesn't want to move now. Whoops. Oh, but I got an open. Just dragged the, must have been just one that wasn't set fully. I'll take that though. I'll take that. I'm not gonna unmummify this in case I send to somebody else. I don't want them to see the bidding either. Alright. Let's take this apart. I'm gonna try to keep this unlocked. We'll see how well that works. Alright, shim. Let's see if I can't do this without turning that core too much. Well, it locked back up, so gonna have to take that key out. All right, there's the bidding. Key works. I'm gonna turn it right there. Oh yeah. Whoops, sorry guys. All right, what do we got here? Some threading in number 4. I could definitely feel it. It was crunchy. Take the shim out. T-pin. I'll show you guys a close-up here in a second. Spring. Nice, I believe that's a pin and pin there. That's probably why I was having so much trouble. Same with this one. Good job, man. Good job. I was experimenting with those today. Now I can take some tips from you. Spool. Whoops. There we go. Last one, T-pin. Spring. Nothing done in there. Very nice. Very cool. Let's check these out. Wow, yeah, look at that. That's awesome. It's got a pin in there. And one right here too. And this one has serrations on the outside of it. Very nice. Very cool. Okay. Well, thank you, Red Wanderer, for making another one, sending it to me. Appreciate it. Have a good night.